My name is Laura, I'm 33, I'm from Colombia. I'm a lawyer, but my family owns a shoe factory, so I've been in the industry, like the shoe file, for all my life. And I really love shoes. Like my dad used to say that once you touch a shoe, you never leave it. So I've been there working for 8 years, but I didn't have like a real like background or study. So that's why I wanted to improve myself, to make us better company and improve our company and all the service that we do. And so I have a supplier that once talk about Arsutoria, so I decided to come, and then has been like a wonderful experience. So I'm taking the design path, and I'm almost done, and I've been like able to learn how to use the Photoshop, Illustrator that I didn't use before, and then iCAD and Rhino, and then sketching and make a collection and do the branding. So also I want to create a brand, so that's why I'm here. This course is gonna help our business because I think we're gonna be better suppliers because we do white label. So we're gonna have more tools to work with our clients and give them better like designs and better experience, because also here you get to know about materials and how Italians, that is important for me, they make shoes, how they do it, how they think. So that's why I wanted to get from here, to get like the Italian way to do it, because that's important for us. Like we're a small company, but we used to do the things like we do everything inside, the insoles, the outsoles, we cut, we stitch, we do everything. So to do it, to see the way that you guys in Italian do it, it's important for us to improve ourselves. How to make shoes well done, how to do designs well done, how do you think, how you start doing a collection and make great shoes.